Okay, let's come over and look at CL. Now, just taking it off the top yesterday, which I think is the completed, it's certainly a 5-wave move up. I think it's the one of the C wave of the bigger 3 that we're tracking up to, and it projects beyond 77 if you go and look at the charts on the site on the 4-hour time frame. But looking for a completed 5-wave impulse. So as we closed yesterday, we were around here, around this 4 region, and I was looking for that last move down overnight and into this morning. Well, we got exactly that, right to the 38.2 retrace, right to the 2786 extension. These extensions here are just for this last 5th wave. Absolutely picture perfect with exact technicals on the MACD that I'd expect to see as well in terms of divergence. So that gave us, again, an absolutely picture perfect long opportunity an hour or so ago this morning. And if you follow the threads in the forum, I do try to keep them up to date in the mornings with anything relevant that is worth posting. So 68.68 was the entry in CL this morning, and half off. Let's leave the rest to run, see what we get. And if I come up the time frame, I'm just going to take it straight up to the 4-hour chart. This is the one that I think's in, and this move down that started yesterday is the A wave. And as you can see, it's come and hit the 38.2 retrace fib here of this move up. So again, textbook stuff, looking for the B back up, then the C down to 67.02 to 66.02 before we get the 3, 4, 5 and so on and so forth. And you see even the 2.0 projection on this is now up at 82. I think we're going to go up towards that 90 area in CL if this pattern holds now. So all about whether we can hold this 2 and then take the top out. If it does so, then I'll give you more precise targets, but I think more nearer that 91 than the 77 I was originally looking for. NG, so off the top, I can count 5 down to here for the 1, A, B, C for the 2 back. The question now is, where I've got the 1, have we got a 1, 2 to the downside in the 3 of 3, and we're going to see this start to accelerate down, in which case these innermost retracement fibs on the hourly chart, one of these should hold this push up here, and we should have a 1, 2, 1, and this is the next 2. So watch 28.48 to 28.58. If we take out 28.74, then I think that all of this is a diagonal down for the 1 of 3 of 3, and we're going to come up to 29.04 and then down. If we come up to that 29.04 and you didn't buy DGAS on Friday or yesterday at one of the highs, then that's your opportunity. And if I see that, I'll be adding the other half to DGAS. So absolutely in line with the write-up that Brian put in the forum both yesterday and in the chat thread here this morning in NG. So we've started to bounce back up. So far, we've tagged the 50% retrace of the smaller move down. So we're going to just wait and watch and see if it gives us an opportunity to add to that trade, or for those of you not in it, to enter it.